Join the NextHome team at the 2023 Oakville Lifestyle Spring Show. This year's event is all about celebrating some incredible Ontario home and lifestyle vendors. Whether you're looking for inspiration for your own home or simply want to indulge in the latest trends and products, this show has something for everyone. From gourmet food vendors to landscaping and outdoor living to interior design inspiration, you'll discover all the latest must-haves and innovative ideas to elevate your lifestyle. So join us as we talk to some of the show's wonderful exhibitors and explore the very best in home and lifestyle design at the 2023 Oakville Lifestyle Spring Show. So we asked some of the exhibitors to tell us why it is important for them to attend this year's show, and here is what they had to say.
Hi, my name is Gordon from Lifestyles by Barron's. I'm the president of our company. We've been in business for over 30 years. We're a full design, full procurement company of custom renovations. It's a really unique opportunity to actually meet people face to face and collect an awful lot of information, typically with subject matter experts. You're typically dealing with people that have direct knowledge. I've been personally involved in over 300 renovations spanning over 30 years. My sales VP has over 20 years of CAD design expertise. So you're getting a lot of really quality people that you can interface with.
My name is Dean Lefebvre, and the company I'm here representing is Kitchen Crafters. We're a kitchen manufacturer located in Mississauga, and we build medium to high-end kitchens. A lot of people that are outside of the city tend to want to deal with the local community when they're making purchasing decisions for their home. So we come out to these shows in the communities. That way we can make sure that we're coming to them because we do a lot of the big shows as well. We do the national home shows and we do other shows like that. But a lot of people from the outside of the city, they don't want to drive into the city to go to these big shows. They'd rather come to something that's a little bit more bespoke.
So my name is Shauna, and I'm the owner of KBC Solutions in Burlington. I spent a long time in Oakville. Our business was in Oakville for many years, so I wanted to be back. We're in Burlington, but certainly felt that Oakville, we still have a big root here in Oakville, and we'll definitely wanted to kind of partake in that, so yeah.
We were also curious what the exhibitors had to say about what trends homeowners should watch out for in 2023.
My name's Chris, and our company's Prestige Outdoor Living. We do full landscape and pool installations, in-ground pool installations. We do both fiberglass and vinyl liner pools. Specific trends, I mean, fiberglass is a growing trend in the pool business. It's one-piece unit, it gets craned over the house, multiple shapes and sizes to choose from. The longevity is a lot better than a vinyl pool. Vinyl pools, you have to change the liner every 7 to 10 years, whereas a fiberglass pool, you never have to change a liner to it.
Hi, I'm Tina Marie Singh, and my company name is Lionsgate Design Inc, and I'm based out of Mississauga, Ontario. So for the trends in 2023, it's really all about very boho chic, natural kind of elements, wood tones, concrete, a lot of earthy tones.
Thank you for joining us as we covered the 2023 Oakville Lifestyle Spring Show. Don't forget to check out the video description for website links to all the exhibitors we interviewed. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, and if you would like to see more interior design content like this, subscribe to our NextHome channel.